Hey, thanks. Come on in. I
I'm
appreciate
Schneier.
Schneier?
Yes.
Oh, great. Come on in. Thanks.
May I ask what your name is?
Yeah, I'd rather not say, but come on in. Yeah. Yeah, you put those on there.
How you
Come
doing
on
today?
in. Well, I'm good. There you go. So we had a,
How you doing, man?
what do you think? Is this salvageable?
Do you know what it is?
A little dinner party with wine.
It's marinara.
Marinara sauce and gravy. You know, my friend Mario spilled a little
Hey,
something.
no names. Friend of ours.
Right, a friend of ours
had
had a little
over here.
accident.
We really like to salvage this. This means a lot to his family.
What do you think?
I don't know, to be honest with you. If you want, I can try. Or I can give you another option if you'd like.
What's the other option?
The other option is to get it dry cleaned.
Well, let's say it isn't marinara sauce or red
Yeah.
wine.
Yeah.
Some kind of protein of some sort.
Yeah, it wouldn't have to be taken out and cleaned and brought back, right? You would do it here.
I personally can do it here.
That's what we need it done here.
Right.
I can, like I said, I can do the best. I can do my best and give it a shot.
Listen, take this, okay? And you're gonna just do the best you can.
Yeah.
Do the best you can, okay? All right?
If you don't mind, let me price it to you like a regular job.
No, this is for you. Put it aside. This is for you.
I appreciate it.
What's your name?
My
What's your
name's
name?
Schneier.
Schneier. Listen, Schneier. She's got nothing to do with anything. I just want somebody to get the stains out and to keep their mouth shut. Is that okay?
You got that?
No problem. Let me.
What do you think? What kind of chances do you give this thing?
You know.
Oh, all right. Okay. All right. Hey, what about that
There's a
stain
spot
over
over
there?
here too.
Over there. What do you think?
This one here was wine.
Let me go ahead and grab
Get him
my
This one here.
That rug we can't do anything about.
Let me grab my machine. Let me give it the best.
Don't be
Okay.
looking.
All right.
I have a few
You didn't
products
see nothing.
for
No.
this. And
Okay.
I'll see what I can do.
Go grab your machine. And in the meantime, do we have anything for him?
Yeah, I gave him. I gave you that. I
Yeah.
gave you that, right? What did I give you? What did I give you that? All right. You know what? Take this too. Look. You didn't see
Well, that's
nothing.
nice.
Listen.
I
Seriously.
grew up in Brooklyn. I'm Jewish.
You are good man. Then you understand us.
I understand.
Very good. Very good. All right.
Let me give it a shot. I do need access to water. Hot
Water?
Is that possible?
Yeah, we got water.
Let me ask you. You use bleach still?
I don't use bleach.
You don't use bleach at all? Doesn't that get rid of like all the remain?
Why?
Wayne?
No, the bleach would actually destroy the carpet.
It would destroy the carpet. It wouldn't get rid of evidence. I mean, the stain.
No evidence. Just the stain.
It'll turn it white.
Okay, but you know when they come in and they put those lights on and you can tell where there's been stains. We don't want that.
We want it to look just like it looked before there was an incident.
Correct.
Yeah.
Let me do the
That
best
shouldn't be
I
too hard,
can.
right? Yeah.
Like I said, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I
Let me
only have
ask you
certain types of
something. Let me ask you.
products.
How big is your van?
It's small. I have a car. It's not
How small?
If we had another rug, we would have give you. So we don't care what happens to the rug, but it just has to be. Maybe you could
Good
drop
idea,
it off.
good
or
Like a
idea.
recycling? Do you recycle?
I can try.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You guys get the rug, and then we'll just put it in the truck.
Yeah,
with them,
glad we
and-
didn't put it
and
in
this
the
guy, He's
basement.
from Brooklyn. It's good. No, it's good. He
good.
knows.
It's going to be all right.
All right.
So what do you think? You feel good about this?
Do you? I'm. It's really hard to tell. Is this fresh or is this old?
18 hours, 17 hours,
18 hours,
18
yeah.
hours.
And there's a pretty good chance.
Here's what I want
it'll
you to do.
clean up as best as
You just,
possible.
do your best on this.
Okay.
And this rug coming behind you, you just drop this in a landfill.
Take it with
somewhere.
me. My responsibility.
All right.
All right, don't be looking though. Just
I'm not looking.
Yeah.
I can just guarantee that that's not going to fit in my car.
You know what? We'll strap it to the roof. We'll strap it to the roof.
always thinking.
Yeah.
put it on
You
the
got
roof?
you got some you got bungees? You got bungees?
Where am I supposed to put it though?
We're gonna put it on the roof.
Is that your truck right across the street there?
No, I'm right in the front.
So just put it on the roof.
Put it on
see
the
if-
roof in the front.
All right, good. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Go. All right.
Let's talk about this. What are we gonna do?
All right.
You
All
really
right,
think this
good.
can get the whole thing out?
So they're going to put that on your roof?
I got nowhere to put that.
No, it goes right on the roof.
I know what I'm saying. I got nowhere to dump it.
Really?
How far away is your place from here?
I
You
live
go
down the block.
down the block? You don't got no alleys and no hole. You don't got no place you go.
I'm trying to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I understand what's going on. I mean, I don't know what's going on, to be honest with you. I didn't see
what,
it.
do you mean you don't understand? What do you mean you
What I'm
understand?
trying to say is I'm trying to get rid of that carpet.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly right.
yes,
Now you're talking.
Nowhere to put it. That's all I'm trying to say. I live in an apartment building a block away.
Right.
Okay. Do you have a dumpster?
I have a dumpster, but there are people working there right now.
What time do they get done?
I have no idea. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know. if you're gonna strap that to my roof,
Yeah.
I didn't see anything, but what's hanging out of that thing, you're gonna see it.
Let me ask you, if we
Whoa,
give
whoa,
you,
what's
if we give you
hanging out of
$2,
that thing?
let me ask you a question.
Hold
We
on,
give-
hold on, Vinny. What's hanging out of that thing?
I see legs hanging out of that.
No, it's
No,
not.
no, I didn't
it's
see any
not.
legs.
It's
Did
not.
you see any
Listen,
legs?
No.
I'm just
no,
trying to say,
this
I
is
don't,
just-
I don't have the appropriate containers to dump that in.
All right, let me ask you. In your complex, do you have a big dumpster?
Yeah.
We have just a regular dumpster, like
How big is the dumpster?
2 folds.
I have an idea. Here's what you do. You take that carpet, whatever you think you saw, we put it on your roof, you tie it up, and you drop it off at Jimmy Kimmel Live. Make it his problem. Is that all right?
Yeah, at the lot. Think you can do that?
You can say hi to him right there. He's in that camera. And he's in that camera over there, too.
You serious?
Say hi to Jimmy right there.